I'm wondering about the best practice for following up and seeing, trying to get the number. I don't want to be pushy. This guy's a really nice guy. He's usually happy to help.
I've got you covered, but I need some help from you guys because I'm not the best gambler in the world. Unless it's UFC fighting, by the way. I have like a 96% win rate because I've spent so much time doing jiu-jitsu that I can look at the UFC card and go, they're not going to be great. And I've trained with a lot of those people. Other than that, I suck at gambling. One of the things that I suck at when it comes to gambling is blackjack. I don't know squat about it. But I do know that there's certain cards that when you get two of them, you split them. What is it, guys? Do you split the 8s? Do you split the 10s? I don't know. There's something you split, right? Somebody unmute yourself. Tell me what you split.
8s and aces.
8s and aces. I like aces. Let's say these are aces. Okay, you are now in welcome to Gambling 101 Sales Coaching. You are now in a split the aces situation. Why? You had this ace and he went to another company. So we're going to split it. And what I mean by split it is let's not focus anymore on him helping us with this deal. Why? Because it's aces. I'm thinking I'm starting to figure out the logic here, Rich. 2 aces are what? Is an ace 11? Or no, it's a 1 or a 10. I don't know what it is, right? But that's not going to really help me get to 21. It's going to really help me because if I get a 10 on this side, I'm at 21. And I'm a 10 on this side, I'm at 20. Man, I'm learning how to play blackjack in this coaching call. Here's why you want to split your aces in this situation. Don't ask him any more about the old employer. Just focus on, man, hey, I want to just go back to what we were talking about in terms of current situation, in terms of capabilities needed, and next steps where we're at with your other company. My guess is we can bring a lot of that lift over to your new company, okay? Here's something else he's not going to share with you. He probably doesn't want to help his old company, okay? So again, we're going to put a firewall here. Now, you're like, well, what the hell? Okay, so now you're working with this guy at his new company, okay? But what about the old company? You don't need him to give you a number. Just start calling people at the old company and say, hey, man, I had some discussions with one of your former employees, right? And really seems like we found lightning in a bottle. There's something going on that's affecting your company that nobody's talking about. I just wanted to make sure now that that person's gone, that the rest of the team was aware of it. Where would I go for something like that? Holy crap. Boom, you get any senior person. By the way, I'll put the recording up on Easton University. That's your talk track. That's better. Now listen to this. If Rich is the VP of sales and Rich gets a voicemail from me that goes, hey, Rich, Matt Easton with Easton University Sales Coaching. Hey, I was working with Nico and we had some good talks going. Nico gave me your mobile phone number. Love to pick up the ball with you. Rich is going to go, we fired his ass, right? Because by the way, there's a 50% chance they did, even if he told you he quit. 50% chance his ass got fired. So you don't want to be associated with somebody that got fired. With him, with his new company, we're going to be like, dude, I think we've got lightning in a bottle here with the new company. Let's pick. And he's going to think, oh, okay, cool. I've got an alliance with him and I can be a rock star with my new company. But what if Rich at the old company got this voice? Hey, Rich, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. I was working with one of your associates that has since separated from the company, but the interesting thing is I really think we found lightning in a bottle here, and there is something going on. It doesn't appear that anybody at the company is talking about. I did have some pretty good discussions on it with one of your ex-employees. I'm just concerned that with them gone, that once again we're at a point where nobody at your company is aware of this. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Rich is going to be like, what the heck? What's going on? What's going on? And he's going to call you, right? And now here's where I was at. We were talking to Travis before. I believe that we found an additional $9 million in top line revenue. I'd love to bring you up to speed on what's going on. Yeah. Let me know what's going on, right? But if you don't want to, you just don't even want to attach yourself to somebody that either A, got fired or quit. So I split, not that I'm a blackjack player because clearly you guys just taught me how to play, but my aces and 8s, anytime somebody splits, I split those bad boys and I put a firewall up, right? And they never work out. And I'm sure that you could play blackjack in Vegas and have 2 aces and still win the hand. But anybody who knows what the hell they're doing, Rich will walk by and be like, that guy's a moron, right? Like split your aces and aces, or aces and eights, right? Have two totally different, and don't try and commingle those things, right? And if they go, even if he says, hey, do you want the name of my old boss? Be like, I'll be honest, I'm more focused on getting you a home run here at the new company, right? Yeah, don't even push that, because then you don't want him calling. I even don't want him calling Rich and going, hey, Rich, I was talking with this guy. If you could do me a solid and keep the discussion going. He's going to be like, yeah, absolutely, pal. Sure, I'll talk to your person. By the way, we were looking at your freaking expense report. Rocco's Tacos, $750 dinner? Really? Like, dude, you were playing us the whole time. Like, it's just, you don't want to be associated with somebody that left the company. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing, right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.